Hello and welcome to episode 12 of We Bought a Fixer Upper. We've got a couple of updates for this week. The biggest thing is the deck. As you can see, the boards are completely done all the way across, and they have the railings. It's not totally done yet. They've still got to do this side, but they're also going to put another, I believe my husband said, a 2x6 on top of that, and the posts kind of stick up a little bit, so they're going to finish up on all of that this week. But I can walk across the deck without having to look down and fear for my life. The stairs, they've gotten started on the railings over here. They just have to finish the pickets and then they'll do the railings down there. I love this new little entryway into the frog. These are much better than the last steps that we have, or that we had on the Death Trap deck. And they're very sturdy. Also exciting, it actually looks like a room. Look, we have carpet. The trim has been painted and the ceiling has been painted. Now we've just, everything's been primed. We've just got to paint the walls, but it smells like a room. It looks like a room. It's really nice. And he got moved back out here to his office. So days are a lot easier with the kids at the house being quarantined. He is not disrupted 25,000 times a day when he's got meetings and all that stuff going on. So these are the latest updates for this week. Don't really know exactly what we have going on next week, but we will have another video then. So we'll see you next time.